Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study class 10 social science chapter 5 India's heritage of science and technology. Which sculpture has international significance from the art point of view? Nataraj. Maharshi Charak has written Charak Samhita. Maharshi Shushrut has written Shushrut Samhita. Book written by Brahma Bhairava Panchal is Prajan Shastra. In ancient India, who wrote Brahma Samhita Brahma Siddhant, which declares the law of gravitation? Brahmagupta. Which science from the following suggests about the principle of direction while constructing temples, places, Ashwashala, fort, etc.? Vastu Shastra. What is meant by science and technology? Science means systematic knowledge and technology means the practical utility of systematic knowledge. Thus, new research occurring between science and technology is like a bridge. Into how many sections is astrology divided? Vara Mihir was the great astrologer and astronomer who divided astrology into 3 sections: Tantra, Hora and Samhita. Give reasons. Indian culture reflects unique feature of unity in diversity. Indian culture is large, varied. It is a blending of science and religion, traditional ideals and practical knowledge. Tolerance and equality towards all religions is seen in our culture. However, unity in diversity is seen. Indian culture can be considered as colorful culture. Which book is written by expert of medicine in the field of diagnosis? Ashtang Hriday. The process of writing figures after zero was discovered by the sage named Gurutsmad. Maharshi Bhardwaj, Yantra Sarvasva, Maharshi Patanjali, Yog Shastra. Blank of Mewar revived Vastu Shastra in the 15th century after improving precious versions. Rana Kumbha. When did the tradition of making metallic sculpture develop? The tradition of making metallic sculpture developed in the 10th and the 11th century. Who is considered as Acharya of Indian chemistry? Acharya Nagarjuna, a learned Buddhist of Nalanda University, is known as Acharya in the field of chemistry. Which books of chemistry were written by Acharya Nagarjuna? Acharya Nagarjuna had written books like Ras Ratnakar and Arogyam Manjari. What was advocated by Acharya Nagarjuna for chemistry? Acharya Nagarjuna advocated the medicine of allopathy along with herbal medicines, by whom the use of mercury ash as a medicine initiated is believed. It is believed that the use of mercury ash as a medicine was initiated by Acharya Nagarjuna. What is the peculiarity of Nalanda University for chemistry? Nalanda University had its own school of chemistry and finance for study and research. Who are included in pioneers of Indian medicine? Maharshi Charak, Maharshi Shushrut and expert of medicine Vagh Bhatt, etc. attained greatest height through their intense research. The study of which books are necessary for each doctor? Charak Samhita, Shushrut Samhita and Vagh Bhatt Samhita, etc. necessary for each doctor. Which science was developed in medicine about animal dishes? In veterinary science, Hasti Ayurved, Shalintyot and Ashwashastra are well known and well developed on diseases related to animals. Which book was written by Vagh Bhatt in the field of diagnosis? Vagh Bhatt wrote Ashtang Hriday in the field of diagnosis. Who discovered zero? Aryabhatta discovered zero. How ancient India has made noteworthy in mathematics? Ancient India gave gift to the world at the discovery of zero decimal system, algebra, theorem of Buddhayan, geometry and arithmetic. Which discovery is contributed by the sage Gurutsmad? The process of writing figures after zero was discovered by the sage named Gurutsmad. In ancient India, who has acknowledged the decimal system? In ancient India, the decimal system has been acknowledged by Medhatithi. Which books were written by Bhaskaracharya? Bhaskaracharya had written books like Lilavati Ganit and Algebra in 1150 AD. Who did discover signs of addition and subtraction? Bhaskaracharya discovered sign on addition and subtraction. Who introduced the types of equations? Brahmagupta introduced the types of equations. Which book were written by Aryabhat? Aryabhat wrote books like Aryabhatiyam, Dashgitika and Arya Siddhanta. Which book was written by Brahmabhavya Panchal? Brahmabhavya Panchal wrote Prajanman Shastra. Chakrapani-Dutta wrote which book? Chakrapani-Dutta wrote Chikitsasan Grah. Which book based on science did Vatsayana write? Vatsayana wrote Kam Sutra. Which book based on science was written by Maharshi Parasar? Maharshi Parasar wrote Vrushika Ayurved. Vruksha Ayurved. Which book did Maharshi Patanjali write? Maharshi Patanjali wrote Yog Shastra. Which book was written by Maharshi Bhardwaj? Maharshi Bhardwaj wrote the book Yantra Sarvasva. Which book did Shakmuni write? Shakmuni wrote the book Kalagana. Which science is considered to be the most ancient? Astronomy is considered to be the most ancient science. From whose name India's first satellite was named? India's first satellite was named Aryabhatta from the name of great mathematician and astronomer. Which concept was proved by Aryabhatta? Aryabhatta proved that the earth rotates on its own axis and the true reason of lunar eclipse is the shadow of the earth. By which name scholar used to call Aryabhatta? Scholar used to call Aryabhatta by Ajarbhar. The reference of laws of gravitation of Brahmagupta is given in which book? The reference of laws of gravitation of Brahmagupta is given in Brahma Siddhanta. Into how many sections has Varamihir distributed astrology? Varamihir divided astrology into Tantra, Hora and Samhita. Who is considered as creator of Brihad Samhita? Varamihir is considered as creator of Brihad Samhita. Whose inseparable part is Vastu Shastra? Vastu Shastra is an inseparable part of astrology. In which book the reference of Vastu Shastra is seen? Vastu Shastra is mentioned in Brihad Samhita. Who revived Vastu Shastra? Rana Kumbha of Mewar revived Vastu Shastra in the 15th century after improving the previous versions. Into how many parts has Vishwakarma divided Vastu Shastra? Vishwakarma has divided Vastu Shastra into 8 sections. Who is considered as first architect of gods in Vastu Shastra? Vishwakarma is considered as the first architect of gods. Vastu Shastra is divided into 8 sections. Astrology has been divided into 3 parts. Vishwakarma is considered as the first architect of gods. Vastu Shastra is mentioned in Brihad Samhita. Rana Kumbha of Mewar revived Vastu Shastra in the 15th century after improving the previous versions. The earth rotates on its own axis, and the basic reason for lunar eclipse is the shadow of the earth was proved by Aryabhat. In Arya Siddhant, main principles of astronomy are described in short. The constant ratio of perimeter and diameter of the sphere is shown by pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7 means 3.14 in the book of Aryabhatyam. The process of writing figures after 0 was discovered by the sage named Gurutsmat. Vagbhatta made valuable contribution through his work Ashtang Hriday. In Sushruta Samhita, the sharp instruments of surgery are mentioned. The instruments of surgery were so sharp that they would split a single hair. The Vijay Sthambh built by Chandragupta II at Delhi has not corroded in spite of nature's fury over centuries. Nalanda University had its own school of chemistry and finances for study and research. Acharya Nagarjuna is considered as Acharya in the field of chemistry. The statue of Nataraj is a masterpiece having international fame in dancing. Ancient India has gifted invaluable heritage of science to the world. The discoveries in the field of technology have brought countries of the world close, by which name scholars used to call Aryabhatta Ajarbhar, in which book the laws of gravitation are mentioned. Brahma Siddhant. Who discovered zero in India? Aryabhat. Who showed the types of equation? Brahmagupta. Who is mentioned in Brihad Samhita? Vastu Shastra. Ras Ratnakar is a book for which subject? Chemistry. In which museum the sculpture of Archer Ram is there? In Chennai Museum. Identifying equations, I am considered as Acharya of Indian chemistry, Acharya Nagarjuna. I am known as creator of Ashwa Shastra, Shalihotra. I am considered as school of chemistry in ancient time, Nalanda University. The tradition of making my sculpture developed in the 10th and 11th century, metal. I am known as discoverer of zero, Aryabhat. I am known as book of surgery, Sushruta Samhita. I am known as writer of Kala Ganana, Shakmuni. I am known as creator of Vruksha Ayurved, Maharshi Parasar. I am known as creator of Kam Sutra, Vatsayan. I am known as creator of Prajan Shastra, Brahma Bhairya Panchal. Science is known as knowledge also. Brahma Siddhanta has written a book on law of gravitation. Bhaskaracharya has written Leelavati Ganit and Bij Ganit. Introduction to Decimal System, Medhathiti. Shalihotra, Ashwashastra. Charak Samhita, Maharshi Charak. Vagbhat Samhita, Vagbhat. Vikramaditya, Vijay Sthambh. Nalanda, statue of Lord Buddha. Chemistry, experimental science. Acharya Nagarjuna, Ras Ratnakar and Arogya Manjari. Sculpture of Mahadev Nataraj, the best example of dance.